Hey guys, Dustin McCaffrey here. Guys, I need to get serious with you for a second. I've been super inconsistent with my YouTube channel. I've made content for like coding videos and learning to skateboard. We tried Amazon FBA and things like that, but like I don't really have something that I've stuck to in the long term. So when I started coding videos, if you looked way back at my first videos, my audio was really bad, but I had actually rented a professional studio space to be able to do these videos. I knew that teaching was actually something that I was really passionate about, and I was working at the time full-time as a developer, a front-end developer, primarily in JavaScript, and so I thought, hey, that's something that I could really teach people. And I had a plan at the time to create a lot of YouTube content that was free, that was really valuable content done in a professional way that you don't see a lot of in that space. So that's why I started in the professional studio, and then I planned on making premium content that I would have people pay for, a course on Udemy or a platform like that. Didn't end up having time to do that. I have a wife and I have a daughter now who is almost 2 years old. My wife was probably just barely pregnant at the time when I started on YouTube. I think that's the timeline here. Anyway, life got crazy. I had so many things that I was interested in doing. And on top of everything else, I was doing freelance, for 10 to 20 hours a week, working full time, had a family. It was just, there was a lot going on. Excuses aside, that didn't work out. And so then I actually had quit my full-time job just almost exactly a year ago, and had started a web design and development company. And we were just playing with a few different things. I thought it would be really fun because we had a warehouse space and there was the potential to do a lot of creative things in that space. So I thought maybe that would be a good idea to play with that. But then, as happens with freelance or agency work, it comes in waves. So you end up having so much work at one point, and then a little bit later, you have nothing. And so we're able to be creative in the times that we had nothing, but then it would get really busy again. And so it didn't last for long doing that either. So then, 2019, we've been entirely focused on our own product because of all the issues that come from running an agency. I ended up partnering with my brother-in-law, Nate, who is an amazing business development guy. And so now together we've started another company called Loyal, and it's a loyalty rewards app that we're building from the ground up. We raised a little bit of money at the beginning of the year, and now we're actually planning on doing another round of funding. And so there's like all these exciting but really busy things happening as I lead a team in designing and developing this app. And there's just so much there. And then on top of that, we're raising money and we're trying to get word out and we're building, content marketing strategies and all sorts of things. But for this YouTube channel, this is not a marketing channel. This isn't, anything like that. I really want this to be a place where I can create content that I enjoy and, build an audience just because I like teaching. I like entertaining, and I don't know. I still have yet to figure out why I want to be doing this. I feel like there's an opportunity here to help people in some capacity. So my question for you is, if I were to do something awesome with this YouTube channel, be more consistent, create a lot of valuable content, what kind of content would you be interested in seeing? I could do more coding videos. Though things have changed a lot in the last 2 years. I spend a lot less of my time coding now that I'm running a company. What I feel most passionate about, and that would create awesome content on the daily, because this is what I'm doing every day, would be talking about what it's really like starting a tech company. All the pieces that we're kind of going through, how to raise money, what does our pitch deck look like, what are we learning as we go and talk to VCs, what it's like to build a team, to balance work and home life, and still have friends, and do you really have to work crazy hours like Gary Vee says you have to do in order to be successful? I don't know, there's a million things that we could potentially talk about here on this channel that would probably be interesting, or anything else. I have a good space to be filming in, and we have good audio now. I'm full-time on my own ventures, so I have more time now to be working on things that I want to be working on. And so I want to make this happen again. Please comment down below. I need to figure this channel out. And I need your help. Very serious about that. So yes, thank you in advance, and I'll see you guys next time.